To show file extensions on Windows 10, simply go to this PC, go to top, hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I want to show you how you can show file extensions on Windows 10. So guys, as you can see here, we have this file named ABC. I want to show the extensions of this file. Simply go to this PC on the desktop. Okay, here guys, in the top click view, then here in the section show hide, check file name extensions. As you can see, that's it. Now let's check. As you can see, the file extension appear here. That's it guys. Also, if you want to hide and check again, and all will be fine. That's it. It's so easy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.